Sneha Toli, a writer, singer, or a business builder?
All three, all four. How many more you want to put into it? As a mother, as a wife, as a companion to my husband, to my children, I would say that I would here say that I think I'm a companion to my children also. Both my sons, Kamal and Rahul, they have uh, instigated me at some point when I thought no, I should not do a certain job, and they said no, go ahead, we'll take care of ourselves. That's the way it was. When, like, I'll give you an example. Like when they used to come back from school, I'm in the middle of a painting, obviously, and something has to be given to them to eat. So they just come into the room. They say, "Ma, is this thing?" Here now I'll bring into focus another person, my mother-in-law. She was so cooperative, and she was, I know, she was so helpful in everything. Whenever I wanted to paint, she said, "You continue painting. I'll give him his nashta." It was that way. So I think this is not a single process. Singularly, you can't do anything. It's a combined effort, of a combined support system of the entire family. And I'll say I'm very lucky that my mother-in-law was like a mother to me. Of course, my parents though have been my inspiration, because they were two of the cleanest individuals I've come across. I would say that they did not hanker after money. They did not hanker after whatever they got in life was in a truthful process. I think that has been very much. I've been inspired by those thought waves of theirs, and I imbibed whatever they did, or you can say that's what the sanskar is all about. That's what they imparted to me, and that's what I've tried to impart to my children also.
Ma'am, your music company, Sneh Arun Music Company, is doing very good these days. So, ma'am, how did this idea of creating a music company of yours spring up in you?
Okay, now this is a different aspect altogether. I never thought in terms of launching a music company as such. But then, I had written so many lyrics also I had started writing, and they collected. So I just, sometimes when we were sitting with friends, some friend mentioned it, why don't you bring it out in cassette form? So I said, I don't have the energy to run after music companies and show my work and all that, because I've never done that. Printing of the books, bringing them out, it's through my own company. A magazine part is also our own. And I mean, we have not looked to the outside forces to help us or to cooperate with us in any way. So one fine day it just crossed my mind. I said, why don't I just launch my own music company? I mean, it's not an easy job. Then, as I said, my husband has been a very supportive factor on this front, and we got the recordings done. We launched the company. It was launched in a very big way with 5 albums, and we got good sponsors. So I'm happy that the company has been launched. So now whatever recording I want to do, I can do and get it released also.
Ma'am, आपके पसंदीदा हिंदी writer whom you look up to?
I told you I don't look up to anyone. I have been supported by Kasrul Jafri Saab. I have been supported by Sardar Ali Jafri Sahab, and there are a lot of writings which have inspired me. Not inspired me, but I've liked. I've not brought their thinkings and their writings, their way of writing into my own this thing. I did what I wrote in a totally individual style, and I created my own forte. And as far as the English poems are concerned, the latest book of mine, The Spring Winds, that was released just a month back, and I got very good sponsors, hoardings and all were put up. So I'm happy. It's doing very well. In fact, I've received a lot of good reviews for that. The press has press, I would think, I would say throughout over these years, it's always been very kind to me. I don't know why, but then maybe there's something good in my work.
इतने सालों से आपने इतना खूबसूरत लिखा, इतना अच्छा गाया है, यू आर अ सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वूमन टुडे, इतने सारे अवार्ड्स से आपको नवाजा गया है, तो कैसी फीलिंग होती है अवार्ड्स मिलने में, सम्मान मिलने में?
Like I said, I'm not looking to any outside force for bothering anything of mine. I've tried to do everything within the family with individually, and one good part of that is that I can do whatever I want. There are no restrictions, no bars, and the people naturally, when the press now, like you're taking my interview, someone will hear it or see it, read about it. I'm just quoting one instance. Over these years, all these years, this has happened, and so people read about it, read about me, my work, and they think that I'm fit enough to receive an award. So fine, they give me the award, and if anyone asks me for money for giving me award, I always say no. So all my awards that I've received, whether they are Mahila Shiromani Award, the JCs, and number of other awards I've received, all very prestigious awards, all on merits. That's what I would believe. That's how an award should be received.
कोई ऐसी किताब जो बार बार आपका पढ़ने का मन करे?
You asked a question previously, who inspired you? I've not been inspired as such, but what I said was there was another writer. A lot of writers have written on nature. I don't know the Indian ones, but then William Wordsworth, he was one excellent writer. And I think right since beginning, since I was so much inclined towards nature, I've always looked to nature as an inspirational object. It's just again, that's a subconscious effort being drawn. Not effort. There's a subconscious feel. It's like in the worst of my moments and the best of my moments, I like to share it with nature. I like to go to some by nature. I mean, I like to sit alone with woody area or in some natural habitat or surroundings, and I just enjoy the trees, the flowers, the birds, like we are living in a city, but there's a gulmohar tree outside my house. I just love sitting near the window and contemplating, and I just look at those flowers, and it gives me it lifts my spirits. So that's the effect nature has had on me. And I don't know about William Wordsworth, but he definitely, his poems also I've liked his poems very much.
मैम आखिरी में आपकी इतनी सारी कविता है, किसी एक कविता है, किसी एक गीत की 2 पंक्तियाँ प्लीज।
हवाओं से कोई कह दे वो जीना चाहता है, समंदर का मुसाफिर है, सफीना चाहता है. So I think this one share will go, it's relevant with each and every individual in life, I'm Snehthuli and you're watching IB